Now it's time to clean up the last couple set screws and then start the reassembly process. And I got one Allen wrench that fits the best of all. I'm using that one. I put some more PB Blaster on them to get them to come out easier. Can you hear me now? Give a little shot of this lithium grease. Oops, too much. Ah, was it good for you? Okay, that's an end cap. I gotta get this together in my brain. Move on down to the far side here. So this goes on first, but I gotta see where it's gonna end up at. Into here somewhere. I wonder if there's any marks in here. Somewhere in here it's going to end up at. So, apply some lube generously. Better not get this on the floor. I'll be slip sliding away here. These are real fine threads. You don't want to force it. Crying out loud. There. Oh. There we go. There we go now. Okay. Well, it rubs on this surface on the bar here. And it touches here. So we'll blast a lot of that around the inner being here. I'll put a little on the bar here for, yeah, let me see here. Some on the threads here. Load up the end caps. Let me see if I'm still in the range on this end. Yeah. Yeah, there's a little indentation in here. I don't know if that's good or not. That don't come anywhere near where that hole is. Oh, okay. Kind of does bog down there. I can't see it. It stops inside the piece here. Shit. I lost my place. Okay, straight up on the top here. Well, that overshot the hole. I'm going to tighten it in all the way. Figure the first guy or whoever put it together wrong from the get-go. Put some of this lithium grease on there. Okay. Where the two flat pieces are meeting here, I want a good shot of grease in there. Okay, that's screwed all the way up into there. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this around one complete turn. There's a half. I lost my mark. Okay, here's where I had my, locked it in my vise. That's got to come around once more. Once. More grease. Not necessarily. Then I'm going to turn this piece back the one turn. So that should spin freely. Actually, that's got too much freedom. I'll probably just have to adjust it at a half a turn. Then put the set screws in. Okay, just a half. There's the half. Push that there, tighten it down. Then twist this back to half. Yeah. Let's see how much, show you how much space I left there. Just a little bit of gap. So this end piece spins freely so you don't have the weights twisting you when you're moving it up and down. All right, I'm gonna do the other side. You don't need to see that. Maybe some pro lifters will tell me if I'm doing this right or wrong.